Arts Workfly.
I was wondering how many pieces will we be presenting to the moderator?
Okay, for moderation, the moderation process remains the same. You will be presenting your sample, your 5 samples if you have more than 5 students doing the particular expressive form, and you will be presenting piece 3 for that. However, last year CXC would have implemented the audit process where the moderator will be auditing to ensure that all work that is being required of the student is present. So it means that you would have to have all your work ready so that it could be audited, which will include piece 2 and 3. This year we would not have a piece 1, we will have a piece 2 and a piece 3.
The amount that piece 2 and piece 3 would be marked out of. Since piece 1 will no longer be marked, I'm asking what the amount that piece 2 would be marked out of.
Okay, firstly the marks, piece 2 will now be marked out of 60 marks instead of 30. So normally piece 1 and 2 was marked out of 30 each, and piece 3 would be marked out of 60 to give you a total of 120. This year, the piece 2 will be marked out of 60, piece 3 out of 60, which will maintain the total of 120.
Can you please highlight the dates of the submission for the SBA for Csec, please?
Okay, that date, your education officer will share those dates with you all.
For the SBA pieces, are students allowed to utilize images from the internet as reference?
For what option? What expressive form?
The expressive forms that I'm using are textile and fiber and decorative. So I'm asking if it's possible.
Yes, they can use it as reference, but they are not to copy wholesale.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, thank you.
Use it as reference, and they must remember, once they're using images from the internet, they must acknowledge the source and acknowledge the artist and so on.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.